Hey babies, it's JOYNAVON and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new, then welcome. So today I'm back with another protective style video, and obviously I will be sharing with you guys how I slayed this wig. So jumping right into it, this unit is from HERGIVENHAIR. If you're a subscriber of my channel, you know I have worked with HERGIVENHAIR plenty of times in the past, and this is their packaging. This is the box that your hair will arrive in, or your clip-ins, or whatever you purchase from them. This is the Crowned in My Curls unit, by the way, and inside of the box it will come with a product description card. So this unit also is a lace front wig. It is their coily texture, which means it mimics 3 see-through for a hair type or hair texture. It does originally come in the natural color, and it is 14 inches. So also inside of the box you will receive some extra clips and an elastic band that you don't necessarily need to use if you don't want to, and it will come with an instruction manual on how to care for your unit. So this is the inside of the wig. As you can see, it has 2 clips on the side and 1 in the back. And like I said, it's a lace front, so it does have all of this lace on it that you will have to cut off. And this is your parting space. So I did want to share with you guys what the wig looked like straight out of the box, obviously. So I put it on my mannequin head, and like I said, this is the hair texture. So it definitely has some beautiful curls in it that you can definitely do a lot with, and the parting space is pretty wide, so you can style this wig a lot of different ways. So I did want to dye this hair, so this is the hair dye that I used. I used the Cream of Nature hair dye in C31, aka Vivid Red, and I did want to go with a kind of like burgundy hair color for the summer, just because, you know, look y'all, I'm trying to serve y'all looks. Like, I'm not trying to do the same old. It's 2019. I wanted to do something fun. I always have my natural hair color. My hair is always black or 1B, aka natural brown, whatever you want to say. And I'm just like, no, I want to do something fun. So I decided to dye it. I just followed the instruction manual. I'm just speeding through this process because this is not a tutorial on how to dye hair or anything like that. So yes, but this is how much hair came out of the wig, which was not a lot from me being, you know, pretty rough with the hair actually when I was trying to coat the strands with the hair dye. So I'm just going to let the dye sit on the wig for about 25 minutes, and then I rinsed all of it out. So now I'm going to shampoo and condition. So to shampoo, I'm using the new Pantene Moisture Boost shampoo. So I use that on the hair, and I'm just, you know, washing my hair as normal and rinsing all of the shampoo out. And then from there, I will definitely be conditioning the hair, and I'm just using the same conditioner that came in the box with the hair dye. So this is the Cream of Nature conditioner. So after I conditioned it, this is what the unit is looking like, and as you can see, that color has lifted beautifully. It is exactly what I wanted. So I did put this back on my mannequin head, and it kind of air dried a little bit because I was getting my hair cornrowed at the time. So I'm just going to detangle it. So I'm using the Pantene detangling milk, and this did work perfect on his hair actually. And I will be spraying some water from my spray bottle onto the wig as well, just to like help with this process. HERGIVENHAIR wigs are definitely pricey, and I get this question a lot, so I just want to address it. I definitely feel like these wigs are worth your money just because they last you so long. I literally take care of some of the units that I've had for years, and they last me so long because I take care of them the same way I would take care of my own hair. And that's vital with any wig that you're gonna get, but especially ones that do have natural hair texture, because they require detangling and washing and refreshing, like I said, as any human hair wig would, but especially curly ones. And they're just amazing. Like, the versatility that you get, especially with lace fronts, is just, it's amazing. Like, it literally looks like your own hair. Like, people think that my HERGIVENHAIR wigs are my own hair all the time. So after I do all of that, I am going to see how I need to cut the lace off of the wig. So also, another thing that I did off camera was this, I guess you would say, bald cap or the stocking cap method for my lace front application. So obviously I am not a expert or anything, so I don't have any videos on that, but I will definitely link 2 tutorials from 2 other girls down below on how I learned how to do this. So I will be using the Got to Be Glued freeze spray for gluing down this wig today. You actually don't have to glue down this wig if you don't want to, but I plan on wearing this wig for a minute. Like, I plan on wearing it for at least a week or so, so I definitely wanted to glue it down and not have to take it off. I just go to sleep with my bonnet on top of this wig and it is perfectly fine. So after I let the glue get tacky, I'm just going to work in sections with the wig and lay it down using my rat tail comb, my metal rat tooth comb, and just kind of take my time with it. I'm not gonna rush through this process because it will not come out as natural looking. It won't be as like long lasting either if you rush through the process, if you are going to be gluing it down. So just take your time. There's no rush. Make sure you don't have nothing to do that day. You know, just relax, just chill. So I was being very, very, very particular about this process, and I did go in a couple times with the freeze spray again, as you can see here, to make sure that everything was laid down and was not going to move. So after that, I'm going to take my Fenty bronzer, and this is actually in the shade Cocoa Naughty if you're interested. But yes, I'm taking this because it's similar to the complexion of my hair, and I'm kind of going through the whole baby hair process, which I don't really have baby hairs naturally when I do my own hair, so I didn't really want to have like crazy baby hairs, but I did want to make this wig look as natural as possible along the hairline. So I'm just coloring in the top of, you know, the lace just so that it blends perfectly with my complexion. And as you can see here, I'm just taking some scissors and I'm cutting the hair shorter around the hairline so that it can mimic baby hairs in case I do want to, you know, make some. And I feel like the whole baby hair process of wigs isn't necessary, like I said, but it definitely helps with making the wig look more natural. So I did try my hand, and when I say try, I mean try. Like, as you guys can see here, I'm not an expert. I'm kind of struggling, but it's okay. Try my hand at making some type of like swoop baby hair situation, and all I did was use that same exact freeze spray glue and just spray my edge brush with it and just kind of work it along, but it'll all come together at the end. So after that, I just tied it down, and so now I'm taking it off after about like 15 minutes, and this is what it looked like. Can we just take a second? Like, do you not see how laid, how natural that looks? I absolutely love it. I'm so happy I decided to do the stocking cap method for this, and this is the final look. So this is the hair the next day after it dried, and it looks so good. I can part the hair on the side like I did here, and the part looks so natural. I just added some more of that Cocoa Naughty bronzer in the part to blend it, or I could part it in the middle. I could do little top knot styles. So if you guys are interested in seeing any like hair tutorials or anything like that, definitely follow me on Instagram at JOYNAVON and keep up with how I will be styling this unit. Also, before you guys leave here, I did want to let you guys know that HERGIVENHAIR is having another anniversary sale, and so you might want to jump on that. I will leave all of the information for the sale down below in the description box, so definitely check that out and follow them as well on Facebook and on Instagram at HERGIVENHAIR. Subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment down below, let me know how you feel about my new look, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.